Ladies and gentlemen, I want to welcome you again to our program Nni Bu Eze. Today we'll be discussing food, what we call Nni in Igbo speaking part of Delta states. Oftentimes we hear our people say Nni Bu Eze. Nni Bu Eze. Nni is food, Bu is king Eze, meaning food is king. Why do they always say food is king? Nni Bu Eze. First of all, when we want to start eating in Igbo speaking part of Delta State, we give thanks to Almighty God for the provision, because God has given us food for our own nourishment, and that is why we have to give Him all the thanks that He deserves. We give Him thanks before eating, and after enjoying the delicious meal, we also give Him thanks for the provision. No matter the status of a man in Igbo speaking part of Delta states, you don't put on a cap to eat the food. You have to give honor to the food that God has provided. For the children, no matter the offense that they have committed, you don't scold a child while he is eating. We don't do that. You allow the child to enjoy the meal. After enjoying the meal, you can talk to the child after eating. Food is king. We don't talk while eating. We don't talk. We have to give honor to the food. We don't talk. And that is why even when somebody calls you while you are eating, you don't leave your food to go and answer the call, no matter the urgency of the call. You don't leave your food to go and answer it. These are some of the reasons why we often say Nni Bu Eze.